and spirit. The choreography was done by our UKG teacher, Eshmidi Naya. Let's welcome our dancers with a thunderous round of applause. P.S. Pranad Vinayak, N. Fanuel Gibson, S. Neshik, S.R. Sudan, B.V. Krithvik, P. Pradyun, N. Prithvik, R. Muhammad Tariq, and V. Sidwin.